Ni ukuno ingi kwa ula unai Munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua itina wa chama cha UDA kumuvetanga tawe Munini wa Mutongoi kyamani ki vala mwanya wooswa ni Munini mweu wa President Prof Kithure Kindiki. UDA iweta Gachagua ande na utoni wa kuthukumana kuthosia agenda sia chama na silikali na kuo unde sa kwende ya kutongwe sia UDA mwanyani uno na vei na vata mawaliukua kuthukumithiwano kana kuikithia chama ni cheka lake kilungalu na kina vinya maofisini onde Benjamin Mwaka no kutuelezea.
Munini wa President Prof Kithure Kindiki yuno Munini mweu wa Mutongoi kyamani cha UDA pala wosa mwana ukuma kwa Rigathi Gachagua ulona nguthulula kuma kivelani ni mbunge mwaina muvetu.
I am very clear in my mind what we need to do as a party going forward. Of course, the second role which has been bestowed on you again with a lot of humility this morning, I accept. Other than being a party member, to now serve as deputy party leader.
Inenga na wasi wake wambe kwa member ma chama cha UDA Kindiki no athana kwa lula sula chama ki no kana kuikithia ni chende ya kumeami ikono sionde sianthi.
I expect to assist our party leader as he steers our party, as he steers the country, as the leader also of the country at the moment, so that some of the functions that he delegates to me, request me to assist him, or I am asked to assist him by the party, I'll be more than able, more than willing and available to assist him.
Nwakathia chama cha UDA kwa kumba uhula kinonanisia mwaina muvetu hivi ndani ya kumuvetanga Gachagua vala lumelelia eithwa muthuku museo wa chama.
The last few weeks have been momentous as we went through the constitutional and judicial processes that have led to the change of guard in the office of the Deputy President of the Republic. And therefore, I must thank you as the party organ that is responsible for steering the day-to-day activities of the party. I must thank you for acting swiftly to make sure that our party does not experience any leadership gaps so that we move forward. The same way, the other constitutional process of the transition in the office of the Deputy President of the Republic has already been concluded.
Ingi ni wathana kutuika mivango yonthe ya kwa chama ki cha UDA.
I want to assure you my unwavering loyalty to the ideals for which our party stands for. I will work with all the organs established under our party constitution for the good and for the better and optimal performance of our party as expected of us by the people of Kenya.
Vilingo wa mauvo kumuva musiano ilovi nyeneta wa Benjamin Mwaka.